Well, I can tell that they did a little bit. Not exactly what I thought they had got done. Not much. Just around the edges, basically, a little bit in the middle. Knocked down a few big things, but for the most part, of all the time that they said they were here doing something, didn't look like they did squat. Well, I mean, they did, but they didn't. Certainly not worth what I said I was going to pay them to do. Okay, well, let me get busy at it. I gotta go find the lawnmower. Oh, there's a box on the front porch. It's for Mahoney. I don't know where it came from. Amazon? Oh, okay. Alright. I got that knocked out in about 30 minutes. Also some down around the mailbox down there along the edge of the drive. And that's the side yard over there. Let me go show you. Anyway, the person that I was going to pay to do the work does shoddy work. I still got to knock this down. There's some undergrowth and stuff down in there I don't need to hit with the lawnmower. I need to get the trimmers out to trim that and get those things off of the what do you call it, the chimney. But for the most part, I mean, looks better. And the excuses the guy gave me, and it was 2 people. He brought his girlfriend with him and had her pushing the mower. Look at that, I got tomato plants. Tomato plants. Or plants. Anyway, I got some tomato plants here I need to transplant. Look, even got little tomatoes. One of them fell down there. A couple of them dried up. Yeah, I need to take those to the other house and transplant them. I got some right here as well. These were volunteer tomatoes. All in here, tomato plant. And then over here, there's another tomato plant right here. So I'm gonna end up getting those up and taking them to the other house and putting them into some good dirt over there and have them grow. And end up taking these pots over there as well. And I'll be doing more videos on the work that I do here. But look at this. Yeah, I gotta get this knocked down. My neighbors are, I don't know, they're probably wondering what on earth's going on over here. But I'll get this knocked down. See, lawnmower's cutting through it like warm cheese. That's what I feel like right now after doing all that work. I feel like warm cheese. But I'll get in here and get it knocked down. So, anyway, I'll make a follow-up here in just a minute. So why is it that I can work 2 full-time jobs, have a 3-hour commute each day to each job, and work projects, and try to spend time with family, and come over here and mow this yard because the guy I was going to pay is definitely not a high performance dude. He says, it's too hot, it's raining, I don't work Sundays, I don't do this, I don't do that, my girlfriend had to push the mower. Anyway, why is it? Any idea why? Jeez. Because some people, look at that, I need to get back here and do that too. This is all my fault. I'm not blaming anybody else. This is my fault. Why is that bush dead? What the? I just don't understand why bushes die when they do. Anyway, I don't blame other people for this. This is all my deal. And if I was really a high performance person, I would have already been over here and had this knocked out instead of blaming the guy I was going to pay to do it. He came over here and saw it, was like, hell no. And I don't blame him. It's not his responsibility. It is my responsibility. But why is it that I can come over here and do this? Even though I feel like I work all the time? I feel like I don't have the time to do things? Well, some people look at me and say I'm lazy. You're so lazy you can't even mow your freaking yard. But then I think about it. And I'm like, ain't nobody else doing it. So I'm over here doing it. Even though I'm tired and I got to go back to work. So I don't know. Does that make me a high performance person? High performance individual? Or does it mean I had to just get up off my lazy ass and go do something? I don't know. You tell me. Well, I see my shadow. My shadow knows. Alright, let me get back to work. I've got to get the mower. Get the mower going. Mower. Get the mower going. Got a bunch more done. Anyway. Looks much better now. Next time I come over, it won't be so hard. I'll just do it myself. I'm not going to rely on that other person. A little bit better back here. Of course, I didn't go past right there, but that'll be another day. I'll get that knocked out before you know it. Get some of these trees trimmed back. I still got to get around some of the edges in here. Couldn't push the lawnmower up in that. I could have, but you know, it's just a bunch of junk up in there. I got to get the junk out. But the yard looks better. And tall grass. I still got to go down around the Maxima and the Airstream. Get all that cleaned up. I feel like I could turn that thing on and just get naked and waller around underneath it. But I'm not going to do that. So, anyway. I think that's it for today. The sun's getting ready to go down. I'm going to put the lawnmower back where... Actually, I'm going to take the lawnmower and weed eater with me back to the other house. Hey, there's my honey getting ready to pull up. Here's the big truck. That's her. Alright. Look at that. Look at that. Alright. Talk to you later.